how to fix Instagram login problem on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram login problem on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step one, that is to check your internet connection. So first, make sure that your phone has stable internet connection, or you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And here, once you're done with that, you can simply open the Instagram app again. And with that, moving forward to the step two, that is to restart the Instagram app completely. So here, if you're still facing the login issue, then what you can do is you can simply close the Instagram app completely from the recent apps, and after that you can simply reopen it again and try logging in again. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear the Instagram cache. So here, what you can do is you can simply open the phone settings, and now here, once you're inside the settings, you can simply scroll down and tap on apps. And now here in this section, you can just tap on the search bar at the top, and you can simply search for Instagram and tap on it. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from here, you can just tap on clear cache and confirm by tapping on OK. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to update the app. So here, if you're still facing the issue, then what you can do is you can simply open the Google Play Store. And here, once you're inside the Play Store, you can simply search for the Instagram app. And there, if you find update button on the Instagram app, then you can just tap on it to update the app to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to reinstall the Instagram. So here, if the problem still continues, then what you can do is you can simply uninstall the Instagram app and reinstall it again from the Play Store. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Instagram problem on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.